Watch me speak to WhatsApp Meta AI to create this beautiful logo for me for my upcoming YouTube channel. So I go to the WhatsApp Meta AI icon, click on it. Then I go to audio recorder, slide upwards, create a unique YouTube logo for me from my upcoming YouTube channel on personal transformation. Keep it simple and smart. I click send. So let's wait in a moment. It's loading. You see what it came up with. That is really smart, even though I need to adjust the text it has here, okay? But this is how fast and quick you can create something smart with WhatsApp Meta AI. Let me speak to it again. Kindly suggest possible names I could use for this YouTube channel. Give me a list of options. I'll send it. You see the names it's suggesting: Transform Life, Rise Above, Unbecoming, Elevate, Renew, Mindful Momentum, and so on. Okay, so if you check down, you see more names is suggested that I should use. So this is how to use the voice option on your WhatsApp Meta AI. If you want to see previous designs you've done with Meta AI, just go to Meta AI up there, click on it. So you can see the designs you've done. As of today, I've done about 465 designs. Okay, so if I click on this part that says media links and documents, you will see all the design. This is the last one we just did. And if I scroll like this, you can see all the other designs. Okay, if I take it back like this, I can just scroll like this. You can see the designs. Even this one, I did this. I just told it to give me something like this, but it got some parts in error, especially the text. Okay, so I'll show you something because the texts are important. So most times it gets the text wrong. For instance, this one, I wanted it to do Amazon KDP, but you notice it did Amazon KDD, okay? So very, very important that you check the text. If your logo or design has a text, to be sure the texts are correct. So sometimes they are, sometimes they are not. So you go beyond what it gave you to verify that everything is in order. If it's not in order, then you might ask it to do another one, or you can take the design it has done to maybe a Canva and edit it to suit what you want. Another thing is that all the designs that you get you generate with Meta AI comes with their watermark. You see it at the bottom left. Let me zoom so that you can see it. Can you see it here? So do well to crop it out to not be part of your design, because you wouldn't want that to be in your design. It's not part of your logo. Okay. Another limitation with Meta AI with regards to design is that you can only use it for designs of this shape. In other words, you can't use it to create thumbnails. Okay. But of course, you can generate images to use on your thumbnails, which I have done a couple of times. Okay. So I've generated images, taken it to Canva, and then use that image or use those images to create thumbnails that are amazing. Okay. Now I did this logo, but I had to cut off the last part, that's the last text that you see below. Okay. Because it's not giving me a language that I understand. But if you check the other one, Kingdom Wells, that was what I wanted. So it just did this logo for me. Okay. I think I will show you how to also use text. I've done that, a video on that before. But these are all the designs I've done so far. Sometimes I repeated the design just so I can get options to choose from in case what they gave me is not suitable enough. Okay. So that's it. I use this to do a thumbnail. Imagine what they gave me here. This is amazing. Quite amazing. Okay. So let me return and ask it to, just with text now, give me a beautiful Christmas tree design for this Christmas. So let's check. This is using text now. I've used voice and you've seen how it went. So let's use text now. Can you see? Wow, this is very, very awesome. Okay. So if you don't like it, you can ask it to do another one. Let me say, add the text Christmas, Merry Christmas, and the text Merry Christmas to the design. To the design. Let's see if it will get something better. Okay. Sorry, it has not added the text, but it gave us another design that is still good. Okay. So you can continue. Maybe I will still ask it. I mean that you should add Merry Christmas to the above design. So ask this one. Okay, so you keep tweaking your search until you get what you want. Okay, so yes, okay, he has added it. Can you see it up here? Say Merry Christmas. So I can use this if I want to send a Christmas design to some persons. Okay, so this is how to create designs using Meta AI. And as well, you can use this AI to generate name ideas for your business, for your YouTube pages, anything at all. Okay. So go try it, come back to the comment section and let me know if it works. Then share to your friends and follow for more. See you in my next upload.